Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a PayPal account in Japan. First, navigate to the official PayPal Japan website and click on the Sign Up button. You will then choose between a personal or business account. Most individuals will select personal. Next, enter your email address and create a robust password. Finally, fill in your personal information, ensuring accuracy. To proceed, you must provide a valid Japanese phone number, which is essential for verification. Accurately enter your residential address in Japan. For identity confirmation, upload clear images of your proof of identity, like a Japanese driver's license or residence card. It is critical that all details you enter exactly match your official documents to avoid delays in the verification process. Once your basic account is set up, link a Japanese bank account or a credit or debit card. For linking Japanese banks, it is often helpful to temporarily switch your PayPal language to Japanese. You will need to input your bank's specific branch code and your 7-digit account number. Remember to verify that your name, written in katakana, precisely matches the information on your bank card. After linking your accounts, verify your email and phone number using the one-time codes provided. Complete the identity verification process by submitting all necessary documents. This step is vital for full functionality, including withdrawing funds. PayPal will then review your submission, which may take approximately 10 days. Once activated, you can confidently send and receive money, both domestically and internationally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.